Hey guys, welcome back to another episode from my kitchen. Today's recipe is with my favorite vegetable okra or bhindi. This dry, shallow fried masala stuffed spicy okra is such an experience in every bite. It can be served as a starter or main course accompanied with rice or rotis. So let's get started. Let's take a quick overview of the ingredients. All the details will be given in the description box below. Wash okras well and pat dry with a tissue paper or a cloth. There should not be any traces of water on the okras. This is a very important step while cooking with okras, otherwise it becomes slimy while roasting. Trim both the ends. Slit each okra vertically without cutting into two halves. Do not cut all the way through the okra. It still has to be intact in one piece. It is through this incision that we are going to fill in the okras with the stuffing we are going to prepare. So now let's prepare the stuffing. To a pan heated over medium-low heat, add Chana dal, Urad dal, Coriander seeds and some Sesame seeds. Dry roast until the spices get fragrant and slightly change color, but do not burn them. Finally, add some desiccated coconut and turn off the heat. The heat in the pan is good enough to roast the coconut. When working with large quantities, you can dry roast each ingredient separately to ensure even roasting. Blend roasted spices to a coarse powder. Transfer the ground mixture to a bowl. To this, add ginger garlic paste, turmeric powder, Red Chilli Powder. Feel free to adjust spice levels to suit your taste. Thick tamarind extract. You can also use amchur powder, also known as dry mango powder, and salt to taste. Give it all a nice mix. The stuffing is now ready. Now it's time to stuff into the okras. Take some of the mixture and stuff each okra with the stuffing through the cuts we made. Similarly, finish stuffing all the okras. The remaining stuffing will be used later, so set it aside. Heat oil in a wide pan over medium heat and season it with some mustard seeds. Once the mustard seeds splutter, add in a few curry leaves. Now arrange the okras carefully in the pan. Cover and roast over medium-low heat, stirring occasionally for about 10 to 12 minutes. Once okras are half done, you can sprinkle the leftover stuffing just to cover the okras and then continue to fry. Continue to roast okras until they are cooked and turn golden brown. This may take another 10 minutes. Add in some more curry leaves and fry for another 2 minutes and then turn off the heat. Roasting over low-medium heat is the key to perfect stuffed bhindis, like to get that perfect crispy crust over the okras. Spicy masala-filled okra is ready to be served with rice or rotis. You can also enjoy it as a starter. That was it for today, guys. Hope you enjoyed this recipe. Do give it a thumbs up if you liked it and please share it with your family and friends. And if you're here for the first time, do consider subscribing and do not forget to turn on the notification bell for new updates. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, it's me, Padma, signing off.